to Ashling's World. Today we are gonna be showing, so this is the boat that we're staying on for 4 days, and I'm gonna give you a house tour of the boat and a clip of each day. So first, we have a little balcony, and it's kind of messy right now because we just got like everything on just 20 minutes ago probably, and then we got a bunch of random things, floaties, chairs, water, a bunch of water, fishing poles, the American flag, a little lantern, and tackle box and water shoes. So that's basically it. Now let's come to the back. So here's the motor, really beautiful. And then we got 2 garbage cans, and then we can go upstairs to the top floor. So here's the top floor. Here's the air conditioner, the water slide into the water, the lily pad, and the other twin water slide. And then there's the stairs, not very exciting. And then we have a bunch of extra chairs. I don't know, you could use it anywhere. And then a little hangout spot or bar. And then we have a tiki tune, which is basically just a speaker that looks like a tiki fork. And then we have another steering wheel, and then just a little canopy and a bar. So that's it for upstairs. Okay, so right now we're back on the lower balcony on the back, and there's 2 garbage cans, a kayak, and another spot. There's 4 spots that you can get onto a dock. Okay. Oh. Okay. And then a room that's just, and then a bathroom, another bathroom, beautiful, yeah. Okay. And then here's the very, very full kitchen. Basically a bunch of cabinets, what's it called? An oven, and 2 fridges, and the other captain's place. Okay, so yeah, that's the first day. Well, hours. So bye. Just move your body. Listen to the music. Okay, so we're out of the marina, and this is day 2. So today we're surprising the rest of the gang with our boats. It has 2 slides off the back. So, yay! And we're about 5 or 10 miles. 5 to 6 miles. I don't know. They're really far, and I'm just gonna show you. Well, we're almost there. It's taking a pretty long time. My dad switched down to the lower one, so now he's down below the surface,
Hey, that's
and then there's the boat. We're almost there.
feels like we're going faster, but we're not. We took 30 minutes since we saw
This is day 3 of fun at Hershey Island in Mother's Bay. Wait, is it clear? 1, 2, 3.
Okay, so we're on the houseboat, and I would just like to show you our food, like our appetizers. So, I'm sunburnt, lifeguard rash, and cheers. Everything happened. Everything happens for a reason, according to a lot of people. Okay, so I don't know how to show you this. It's a buffalo chicken dip for appetizers, and then probably have other things. We're on the Mississippi. It's so pretty. The sun's so bright though. So I have to show you guys so you don't get blinded over here. And the 2 water slides, we went down it today. You have to put dish soap on them. I just showed you one because both of them are the same. And yeah. Hey guys, so it's later in the day. I got sunburned. And
What is it called, Mom?
and
What are these called? Mom, what are these called?
chiggers.
Maybe.
Okay, it might be chiggers, but on my foot. And also lifeguard rash, Sorry about the fuzzy notes, but we are having a sad day today. But thankfully, it turned into a happy day. So, our prop, one of our motors, we have 2 motors on the boat. One of the, I think there's some kids watching, so I'll do it the easy way. The really sharp part on the motor fell off. The prop. So that's only one of our motors left. So 1 motor is left right now. So that means that we had to call the place that we we got this boat at. We didn't buy it. We have to give it back today, sadly. Other than that, it's pretty fun. Peace out. Actions were